Rocky's Garage.
Rocky, it's Rocky.
Rocky's Garage.
Rocky.
He'll fix anything.
Rocky fixes Rubble's treads. When you're on the PAW Patrol, practice makes perfect. And that means practicing everything. What in the world? Whoa! Adventure-based construction bulldog Rubble said he wanted to stop by for lunch, but I didn't know he was bringing the lunch. It looks like Rubble's Bulldozer literally got itself into a pickle. But how did the pickles get stuck into the Bulldozer's treads? Oh! Rubble was helping Mr. Porter at his cafe after his pickle machine broke. And now Rubble needs to get the pickles out of his treads. I know just who to call. I called Marshall because he's Adventure Bay's brave fire dog. And he'll have just what we need. Looks like his water cannons aren't powerful enough. But Marshall has an idea. A giant fire hose. Yes! Nothing like a little teamwork to make the dream work. Now, we need the right tool to help us attach the fire hose to the fire hydrant. A hydrant wrench. Amazing! This will do the job. Now that's what I call washing away all your problems. And now with the Bulldozer's treads fixed, Rubble is rescue ready. All paws on deck. Green means go! Let's go test out Rubble's Bulldozer.